Hello from Croatia. I'm in Zagreb and today I'm staying at the Westin. This is one of the 3 5-star hotels in the centre of Zagreb. I've booked an office junior suite which cost me more than a standard room in which you get more space. So let's check it out. So, I was astonished to see a very small bathroom, but then I found out that this is the guest bathroom, which is still pretty big. You then got your wardrobe. You then have a safe. And then we enter the lounge. You've got your tea, coffee amenities, coffee machine and a kettle. You have one television, fridge, well-stocked minibar. Your cups, and you've got your office with some guides about Zagreb. Now we enter the bedroom of the suite. Your television. Then you've got your king bed. The telephones are a little outdated, but they still work. And then you've got another wardrobe here. Pretty dark. You've got a thermostat. But this is slightly weird because it's all manual switch. We've got hand sanitizers. I think that's some sweets. Right, as we go in now to the master bathroom. Pretty amazing. That's not a rainfall shower. Not only do you have that, you have a bidet. You have a nice sized sink. Some pretty beautiful cosmetics. But you have this bathtub as well. The next morning, I can show you the wonderful views outside my room of the 15th floor overlooking Zagreb.
Okay, so this is the in-room menu. You scan it with a QR code. Or there is a book somewhere lying around. Eventually I found it, but this is quicker. You scan it and then you see what's available. The issue is, when you see the price in euros, you think, wow. So yeah, the food isn't the best priced. It's expensive. For example, today it's a Sunday. Next to my hotel's a little place where I go get croissants and coffee to sustain myself in the morning, and that's closed. But they have the most wonderful croissants and coffee and food. So maybe you'd have to resort to that today, for instance. Regardless, the one good thing about this is they have halal options. This is a halal friendly hotel, and so is the Esplande, which is a 5-10 minute walk from this hotel. They cater for halal needs. They have halal chicken. I think it's mostly chicken that's halal. I've never thought I'd see that in Europe. A 5-star hotel catering to Muslims. And frankly, I'm happy.
Despite being happy, there was no way in hell I would purchase food from room service. So I went on a scavenger hunt for some food. I luckily found coffee, croissants and some various pastries such as burek. This hotel is situated near the university as well as various museums and the opera house. There are trams within easy reach to connect you to the small city. The hotel is in a good location. It is walking distance from both the lower and upper town. Although I found there was barely anything to do in Zagreb, and a lot of the major attractions are still under repair as a result of the earthquake in March 2020. The Westin has one bar and one restaurant. I'm currently sitting in the bar outside area. I sat down and ordered some fries as it was the only affordable item on the menu at £5, and this is what came. I was appalled that a hotel with a 5-star status served me such burnt fries, and on top they tasted disgusting. My overall stay at the Westin in Zagreb was disappointing. For starters, this hotel is tired and needs an urgent renovation. In addition, the hotel is also understaffed and cannot deliver a satisfactory level of customer service at certain times of the day. I know this is a common occurrence, but that should not be the case if you are a 5-star hotel. I liked my room in terms of having 2 bathrooms in a large space. However, that is only because I paid more to have that suite as opposed to a smaller room. For the price I paid, the room should have been renovated and I should have had smart TVs with a rainfall shower. The check-in staff did not understand English properly, and they felt so unapproachable. When I checked in, they charged me more than I agreed to pay on the Marriott Bonvoy app. They even wanted to charge me a hefty deposit because of the minibar. When I informed them to remove the minibar, this is when they backed off. It honestly felt like a scam, and it's something I had never experienced before. There is a pool and a gym, however it does not belong to the hotel, so when I paid it a visit it was packed like salmon in a fish farm. I found this to be ridiculous. This hotel may claim it is 5 stars, however it looks like a dilapidated 4-star hotel and acts like a guest house. I do not recommend this hotel at all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this informative.